Hey guys, it's Miela, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to do a smoky eye. I started off by putting some green contacts in my eye and then taking Musk by Huda Beauty, and I've been putting that in my crease to make a nice gray transition shade because I really want this look to be smoky and very cool tone.
I wanna know your name, man. I wanna know if you got a man. I wanna know everything. I wanna know your number and if I can come over.
So I kept adding more of that gray because I really want it to be blended, and I also really want the gray to be visible later on in the look. So I went ahead and took this little MAC palette and I took that gray in the left corner, and I've been also putting that in my crease because with the smoky eye you just want to keep adding darker and darker colors and making sure everything is blended so it's a smooth transition from light to dark. So I'm using that same MAC palette and I'm taking that middle gray shade and I'm putting that a little bit lower because, like I said, I really want everything to be dark, and you just have to keep going darker and darker to give it more dimension. It might look a little bit crazy right now, but I promise you just have to keep going, adding the darker colors because it will all come together at the end. So I'm finally going to be taking black and I'm going to be putting that in my crease, and I'm going to be blending it with the grays that we put beforehand. And I'm only doing this because whenever you start to blend it, it's going to take a little bit of the pigment away. So I needed a smooth transition from the gray to the black. So then I'm going to be taking a flat brush from Anastasia and I'm going to be picking up the shades Obsidian and the black shade in the MAC palette, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid for the ultimate black shade. Now, you could have went ahead and put a gel liner down, but I didn't because I just find this is a little bit more easier, but the gel liner will help with more pigmentation. So I kind of wanted more of a winged out effect with my eyeshadow, so I'm taking that Morphe brush and I'm kind of just flicking the shadow out. And I know it looks a little harsh now because I put a little bit of more gray and black in the outer corner, but you just have to keep blending to make those harsh lines go away because I just really wanted a nice swoop like winged effect. Now I'm going to be taking some concealer and I'm going to be cleaning up the side of my eyeshadow. Just one touch, and I erupt like a volcano and cover up with my love. Baby girl, you make me. So I wasn't planned on doing some eyeliner, but I took my Kiko eyeliner and I did a really nice wing, but I realized after the eyeliner dried down that it kind of blended out into my eyeshadow. So I took the NYX Vinyl eyeliner because it's a little bit more shiny, and I put that on top to see the difference from the eyeliner and the black shadow. So I put on a little bit of my Tarte mascara, and then I put on my Dodo lashes in the style D119. So this is the end result on how to achieve a smoky eye, but I do want to talk about this hair that I'm wearing in this video. This hair is from YOUMILY hair. It has 180% density. It's 16 inches and has a body wave texture. It retails for $188 and it comes pre-plucked, and it's 100% human hair. If you guys want a 7% off discount code, use my code ALAC2018. This hair does really good with heat, guys. I didn't receive any shedding with this hair, and it's really soft. So I'll leave the link down below for you guys if you want to check out their hair. It's on Amazon. But yeah, I don't have much to say, so I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and all that nice jazz. Follow my social medias, will be linked down below, and goodbye. I'm reminded when I look at you.